Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Marilenny and welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you guys is going to be actually, how many times am I going to say actually? I don't know. But today I'm going to be reviewing the Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. And this one, let me see, it says it is a luminous, I can't say the word, luminous natural skin finish, buildable light to medium coverage and long wearing. And this is how it looks like, and I do have it on my face right now, and I'm gonna be telling you guys how I like it throughout the day and seeing like it doesn't have any issues or anything. So I will definitely leave it down below in the description box if I had any issues or anything. But yeah, if you want to know my thoughts and how this foundation is working on my skin, then please keep on watching, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right guys, so this is how the foundation looks like right here. Zoom you guys in a little bit more. That is how the foundation looks like, and it is a glass bottle, which I really don't mind. I don't mind if anything like falls or anything. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I actually have the shade 420 Warm Almond. So I don't know if this is gonna be a good shade, but I think it will. It looks pretty good. They did have a lot. I'm gonna put up on the screen how many shades they have, but it did have a lot. It didn't have like 10 shades. They have more than that. Thank God. But the way that I actually color match this is I kind of found the same one around my favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me, which is in 330. So that's how I kind of matched it at the store. So yeah, my face is completely clean right now. I don't have anything on my face, and I'm just gonna put my mirror like this, and I'm gonna do one side with the beauty blender and one side with my brush. So let's do this. And I'm not gonna prime just because I really don't prime that much, and I feel like my skin is pretty good. It's like nice and clean and hydrated, so I don't need to prime. So I'm gonna start with the right side with my beauty sponge, and it does bring a pump, which is very good. I like when it brings pump because although I love this, it's really annoying because it doesn't have a pump. so it looks like, I'm just gonna put some in the back of my hand. And I've been having this foundation, guys, in my purse to do this video for like 3 weeks, and I finally have the energy to do this. So come on. Okay, I'm gonna be here all day. I saw a couple of videos and this also happened to them, so I think this is just how the foundation is. All right, it looks really dark. I don't know. I might need to like go exchange it, but it does look really dark. So I'm just gonna go like this, and it's a good consistency. It's not moussey or anything. It's kind of like the same as my Maybelline one. Oh yeah, this is dark. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in. Yeah, this is too dark for me. Okay, the coverage is good. It actually covers really good with the beauty blender, which it's not always the case. What do you guys think? Oh, I guess the color's not that bad once you blend it. That's how it looks with the beauty blender. It's not completely like, we could definitely see my scars and everything. I feel like the beauty blender did pick up a lot of it, so I don't know how that will work with the beauty blender, but I'm gonna try it on my forehead. With a brush. Using the Real Techniques brush. Oof, oh yeah, with the brush it looks so much better. But it is a little dark for me. But that's how it looks on my forehead. I think it looks pretty good. I think we will definitely know how it works when I do this side, because this side is like my bad side. So I look a little orange. I might need to maybe mix it. I don't know. So I'm just gonna put one more on this side. My nose. Ooh, the coverage is nice with the brush. So I think I would definitely use a brush because it covered so much better with the brush. I don't know if you can see that. But it did cover it good with the Beauty Blender though. It didn't do a bad job, but I don't like wasting foundation, so I feel like my sponge picked up a lot. I don't think the color's that bad actually now that I look at it. It is a little orange, but I feel like I wouldn't be able to find another shade because the other one, I don't know. I'm gonna try the other shade. I'm gonna go to Ulta and see if I could exchange it for another shade. But ooh, this looks nice. This looks very nice. Let me zoom in. It looks really nice. Oh my god, I really like how it looks. I think I like this how it looks more than my Maybelline Fit Me. So fingers crossed that it's good. The color is kind of like blending to my skin for some reason. It is looking like even better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ooh, looks nice. Looks pretty good, right? Looks nice. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup and then I'll be right back and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. All right guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup and this side is more full coverage than this side is, but overall I think they look very similar with the Beauty Blender or the brush. I think it just depends how you like it. I personally like the brush better, but all right, so like I said, this is how my face looks like with everything already on. Everything went on really good. I feel like the foundation is matching now to my skin tone. It's really not that different. I don't see anything bad around my nose. The only thing creasing is my concealer, but it's my fault. It's that concealer. Yeah, I don't see anything bad now around my mouth, anything. It looks pretty good. It does look a little bit better, I said, a little better than my other foundations. And it's not thick. It doesn't feel thick or anything. It doesn't feel tacky at all. I did set it with my Fit Me powder, but I feel like I really didn't need to. And yeah, I feel like it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Actually, this is like the first time my skin looks really good in a long time. Because you know, when you're pregnant, everything just goes a little crazy. But yeah, I think it looks really good and I'm actually very happy with how my skin looks. What do you guys think? All right, so we're actually gonna do a flash test right now. Okay. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Doesn't look any like flashback or anything, to be honest. All right guys, so I am back and it is 7:06. Whew, I'm tired. Pregnant, man, pregnant. But yeah, I'm back and it's 7:06 and I totally forgot to tell you guys what time I put this on. I think I put this on at 2:30 something. I'll put up here somewhere what time I was finished with applying the foundation. But yeah, it's kind of been already like 4 something hours, I want to say, almost 5 hours. I am very tired and ready to take a nap like real quick or like just chill at home. So I'm like, okay, let's do this check-in. And so far I have absolutely no complaint. The foundation looks the same. It doesn't look like it has moved a lot. It's not oily. Oh my god, it's definitely not oily. This is crazy how it's not even a little bit oily, like at all. It looks amazing. It looks really good. And can we talk about my hair? My hair is growing. It's like huge. I love it. Prenatals are doing very good for me. But yeah, it just looks very good. It looks like I just put it on, to be honest. I'm not oily in any place and I'm really loving it. The only issue that I have with it is that it's a little dark for me, so I might go back tomorrow and see if they want to. I don't know, because I got this like about 3 weeks ago, so I don't know if they could exchange it for me. I might just get the one that's before this one. So yeah, that's the only thing. It is a little dark, but overall I love it, and I hope you guys go check out this foundation because it's like really good, and it's way better than the other one. The other one is like moussey and it's like really thick, and a lot of people didn't like it because it kind of separated on them. It made their face really feel really just heavy. And I did do a review on that one, so we'll leave it down. I'll leave it right here or up here so you guys could just like go check it out. But yeah, I'm impressed. I love it, and if you guys try it out, please let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.